So you might have heard of rosemary for hair growth, but have you heard of peppermint for hair growth? In this video, I'll be talking about how peppermint can fight hair loss. So let's just get into it. Peppermint, with its tingling sensation, most amazing minty fresh aroma, has been very much used in toothpaste and teas, but its potential is far-reaching. Its freshness is not just for our teeth. Specifically for our hair, it seems to be that this aromatic herb can really help with hair growth and hair loss. So let's get into the science of it. So we're not just assuming here, there's solid science backing peppermint's hair reviving properties. There was a study called Peppermint Oil Promotes Hair Growth Without Toxic Signs by Ji Young-oh and colleagues, sheds light on the transformative hair benefits of peppermint. Let's break down the study. Impressive growth results. When compared with other treatments like saline, jojoba oil, and minoxidil, peppermint oil showed promising results in promoting hair growth and hair density. So the study recorded an increase in dermal thickness, a higher number of follicles, and a deeper follicle depth with peppermint oil application. So this is an enhanced enzyme activity. So the application indicated an uptick in the activity of alkaline phosphatase, in the activity of ALP, signifying an enriched hair health environment. IGF-1 expression. So IGF-1 is a growth factor. It's a factor that helps your hair to grow. Peppermint oil also amplified the expression of insulin-like growth factors, IGF-1, a crucial biomarker linked to improved hair growth. Best of all, these improvements came without any side effects, so no itchy scalp like minoxidil. So how does peppermint work? Increased blood flow. Number one is that it's a great vasodilator. This means that it helps to enhance blood flow to the applied area. And enhanced blood flow to hair follicles translates to better nourishment and therefore healthier hair growth. Second, a refreshing scalp environment. The cooling sensation to peppermint is more than just invigorating. It can help soothe inflammation and fend off dandruff, so creating a really good environment for hair growth. Balancing oil production. Those with greasy hair, I've got you. Peppermint can help balance out sebum production, and it ensures that your scalp is neither too oily nor too dry. The peppermint predicament. Not all oils are created equally. We know that peppermint is great for hair growth, but before you go and get yourself some peppermint oil, you've got to pause for a moment, because some peppermint oils on the market are not the same. So it's really important to get a pure therapeutic grade oil versus diluted or synthetic versions. So you've got to check for purity. Make sure it's 100% pure peppermint essential oil. Synthetic or diluted versions may lack the full spectrum needed to promote hair growth, and these specific ones could actually irritate the skin. Next, reputation matters. So invest in brands with a strong reputation for quality and ethical sourcing. So how can you incorporate peppermint into your regimen? So enrich a carrier oil with a few drops of peppermint essential oil, or if you're lazy like me, just use the already mixed super roots oil. So this is my oil. Not only promotes hair growth, but it turns the routine massage into a spa-like experience. It smells just amazing. 2, seek out a peppermint product. So many high quality products now boast peppermint as a star ingredient, including the Super Roots oil. So another way you can incorporate peppermint oil is adding it to your shampoo or creating your own DIY hair mask. So get peppermint oil or the Super Roots oil, creamy yogurt, raw honey for a deep hydrating and stimulating mask. So put that all together and put it in your hair. But why stop there? So Bia has got your back and hair. So if you wanted a streamlined solution, the Bia Super Roots oil is the perfect pick. So it's got the goodness of the peppermint and it's enriched with rosemary and powerful hair growth oils to ensure your hair gets the royal treatment it deserves. And for those who believe in a holistic care, MY DERMA-ROLLER and Scalp massage brush are basically the crowning jewels of hair care. In conclusion, redefining hair wellness, it's so important because nature has all the answers. Forget about the pharmaceutical companies. Those are laced with chemicals and that's not what we want. But peppermint is just one example of such amazing wonder for your hair. So it's such an easy way to incorporate it and it's so refreshing as well. So I hope you guys enjoy using peppermint. Let me know what you think. And if you want to learn more about hair loss, check out my How to Beat Hair Loss playlist. Thank you.